Hey folks, so this is Pops here, and I'm showing you for the last time this Ford F-150 factory grill that I'm getting done at 4-Wheel Parts. They're going to be putting on for me the Ford grill that I purchased from Amazon. Hey guys, I am live at the four-wheeler garage, and they are in the process of installing my Raptor Ford grill. I'm very excited to have this modification done, the first or the second one of many that are going to be done. So just wanted to make a really quick and short video of that, and just let you guys know what's going on. All right, talk to you soon. Just now leaving W4MP, and they just finished installing my Raptor Ford grill. Walking up on it right now. The after look at how good that looks. Just awesome. Totally, completely awesome. Look how good that looks, guys. Love it. Love it. Changes the whole complete look of the truck. Look at the stance. All right, so this is modification number 2. Number 3 is on the way. See you guys next time. Guys, I'm gonna see if I can capture this light again. There it is. All right, so as you can see, that's what it looks like at night. You see the bottom light also light up. That's the shot I was looking for. And that's great. I'm excited. It was a great ending to a great weekend, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. And 4-Wheel Parts Performance Center will be back for the next probably 5 more modifications. I've decided I'm going to do it all at the same Performance Center / store. Hey guys, so this is going to be the next modification that I'm going to do, and it's going to be an inside mod. This is the standard radio that Ford gives you when you first purchase your vehicle. I'm going to swap it out for a Linkswell T console, and I'm going to show you a picture of that right now. Fade to that picture. So as you can see, it is a 12.1 inch Tesla screen, which goes from the top up here all the way down to the bottom, encompassing both the radio and the climate control. So I will see you on the next video. Please subscribe, like, and comment on the video. Would be very much appreciated. Talk to you guys soon.